Good day, my name is Adriana Rodriguez. I am a mechatronics study. I am going to practice a little my English. Today we are going to prepare the sources use. The ingredients and with they are and rib Soursop, 3 or 4 tablespoons on sugar, and liter of milk. 1 glass of water. The things and Whitney are large bowl blender. Instructions: 1. Pellet the source and remove the seeds. 2. Place the source, pull in a bowl. The 3. Place later the Soursop pool in the blender. Then place the blender glass of water and some milk. Fine and the tablespoon of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place lid of the blender. 6. Liquefy by 3 minutes. Seven for the finish, source whisk into a large bowl. And refrigerate. Enjoy it. Time for your attention.